thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out.
It's Michael Plays here. I'm doing this unboxing video of the new desktop I got. I'm not gonna do this live, I'm sorry. But might as well do it live right now. I'm gonna cut this open. Might as well. Yeah. And I'm gonna peel this. No, wait, I gotta cut this off. So, oops, damn it. It's kind of hard to cut it and look at the same time. Shit. You know what? Give me 1 second. There we go. Got it a bit. Right. Let's go. Alright. Here's the unboxing here. Sorry if it's a little shaky. We got the keyboard right here. Yeah, it's kind of hard to open. It's a nice one too. Oh crap! It's wired. That no. No. That's a no-no. So, yeah. We got that. We got the thing on the side here, the mouse, and the power, actually, sorry, the power box. So, sorry if I'm shaking all over the place. We got the plug-in end here. We got the mouse, which is just a standard basic mouse. Ah, come on! Get out of there! Okay, why is this? Give me 1 second. It's just being difficult with me. There you go. So, basically standard mouse. Nothing special. Yeah. Basic standard mouse. I'll put that over there for now. I'm gonna flip this over right now. Give me 1 second. Do this with one hand. Alright. Alright, give me 1 second. It's difficult to do with one hand, by the way. There we go. Alright. Here is the desktop. It's a nice one, by the way. Sorry if I'm shaking it all over the place. Again, it's hard to record with one hand. Oh! That hurt. Okay, there we go. Got that. Alright. So, then here we go. I'm going to put this, I'm just carrying it over to where I need it. Actually, no, I won't. I'm gonna do this on my bed. Sorry, get that box out of here. Alright, how am I gonna do this? Give me 1 second, I gotta find the knife again. Crap, where'd I put it? Crap, where'd I put it? Oh, there it is. Alright, so, I want to cut it. I don't want to. No. Right. Damn it. As hard as it looks. Damn it. Shit. Yeah, come on. Oh, you piece of crap. I have to cut you. I'd be careful as not to cut the PC itself. I don't want to damage it. I've got a 3-year warranty with it. Alright, now time to get this up. Like that. Come on. Ugh, it's getting difficult today. Ugh, freaking hell. Jeez. Christ. It's a little difficult with me here. I had this much difficulty with the damn PC before. Damn it. Come on. Sorry guys. I'm trying to do this as best as I can. Oh, kind of ruin the experience for you. Okay, there we go. Got it. Alright. Alright. Time to try and flip this up. Oh, it's really stubborn. Okay, there we go. Got it. Oh, crap. Oops. Ooh. Okay. There, I got the PC out. 1 second, I gotta get this out of there somehow. Oh. Pull this off. Damn thing. See? Asus web storage. Sorry guys if it's blurry. It's just basically all the things that you want to see. I'll show you in the box what it is, what the specs are. There you guys go. The specs. It's not bad. Warranty's 12 months. And that's basically what it looks like. Out of the box. Basic stuff. Yeah. Shoddy work. Sorry if it's blurry. I don't know this blur bag. Yeah. This is basically my unboxing. And I'm going to switch the camera around here. Oh, shit. Sorry. Okay. There we go. Nice PC. Good model. Good brand. I would definitely buy this again if I had to. But, yeah. There's the specs of it. Wireless and Bluetooth. Graphics are integrated. 8 gigabytes of RAM. An Intel i5 with a optical drive right here. What's this is, eh? So that's good. We got the microphones, basic stuff, and the headset. The SS, the super hard drive sticks, and then you got your SD micro slot. I'm gonna take all this plastic off right now. Don't need it. Might as well don't need it. It's just making it clean. I don't want it clean. I'm gonna use this anyway. Like I said, 3-year warranty on it. Who's gonna have time to? Sorry if you hear background noise and all that. My roommate being noisy. Yeah, I'll definitely get this again. There we go. There's the back of it. Nothing special. Just some basic stuff. Yeah. As you guys know, I'm gonna do this. Gonna set this up, and then I'll let you guys know tomorrow, maybe. Probably gonna try and bring it to my mom's on the weekend, but I don't know for certain. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I've worked hard to get this thing. It's been a struggle to get this for real. I want to thank Enforcer and everybody for believing in me. I'm gonna keep all the original packaging for this. and when I move and all that, so that then I have it. So I'm gonna get this all set up probably this week. I'll test it out tonight, take it to my launch tomorrow, and get it all ready. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Keep up the great work. Thank you for watching. I struggled hard to get here where I am right now, and it's been worth it. So I'm gonna set this bad thing's trying to kill me. I'm gonna set this all up. Oh crap. Set this all up. I'll get everything ready. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time